Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Shayskyler. So if you want to get into this wig by Luvme Hair, it is a glueless 18-inch deep wave unit. Make sure you stay tuned to this video. So for the first wig review of the year 2022, working with a company that I worked with before, company that you probably heard of, Luvme Hair. They sent me an 18-inch deep wave unit. This is a 13x4 unit. She is glueless. Okay, she runs for about $272 for this one specifically in the 18-inch. I'll put all the deets and information in the detail box below. Now I'm gonna do is just go over the wig itself before I applied, and then the contents of the box. Shipping was very fast. I believe it came in about 5 to 7 days. So let's go over the hair. Okay, so this unit, like I said, is 13x4, so she is definitely 13x4. All right, and then she comes with 4 combs. We have a middle comb, we have 2 combs on the side, and then we have comb in the back. Then we have the strap here that really allows this unit to be glueless. And then we also have this adjustable strap here that usually comes with all wigs. We also have a little small portion of lace that's in the back. I usually just go ahead and snip this off before applying my unit, okay? I'm not going to be doing the ball cap method with this unit while I apply it on. So I'm just going to go ahead and get to what came inside of the box with the unit. So Luvme always gives beautiful gifts, okay, with your purchase of a wig. So inside this package you get a wide tooth comb. With your 3 you have the fine tooth, the wide tooth, and then kind of like the pick. You also get this little small bag, okay, and inside of here we have 2 pairs of lashes. Feeling real minky. Okay, lashes look like this. You also get a scrunchie. Okay, satin scrunchies, those come in handy. You get a pair of earrings. Oh, not the holiday nails. A pair of, well, nails. And then you also get this. I know what this is. It's something. I just can't think about what it is right now. But this, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get into the install of the unit, all right? I'm going to put it on just to show you guys how it looks with the lace before I go ahead and cut the lace off. So let's go ahead and put this on. Tell y'all if it's big head friendly or not. I did some good braids on my hair, so. All right, the lace looks really, really nice. You can see the lace here. And then this is the unit. Like I said, she is 18 inches, so I'm just going to pull her down so you guys can see. So this is what we have before I go ahead and cut off the lace. Cut off the lace. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put her on. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a little comb out so you guys can see the curls. Hairline for me, like, oh my god. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spritz some water on her. And go ahead and secure it on my sides. All right. And yeah, here we have it. She's on, and there we go. Look at myself in the mirror. But let's get into this lace. All right, so her curls are very, very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do a orientation of it being wet for you guys. So I'm just gonna take my water and spritz her and go ahead and comb her. And I want y'all to see these curls. Beautiful curls. So you saw the difference from when I put it on to now, but she is giving You can put her in the middle part. You can play with her part. Units like this curly, I just like to just throw it anywhere. But this is how she's looking, guys. If you're feeling her, let me know. I love me hair. This company has great hair, guys. And this unit is really cute. It's really soft, easy to style, and it's glueless. Why would you not want to start the year off with the glueless wig? It makes no sense to wear a wig where you gotta use glue when you can just throw this baby on and go, because I know we got a bunch of stuff to check off on our list to get done in 2022. So if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. I'm gonna leave the link to this unit below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Shayskyler and on TikTok at Shayskyler. Thank you so much for watching.